In this video, we will delve into the features and benefits of Songster Guitar Tab, Guitar Tab Tuner, and Guitar Tab Zipo, helping you choose the perfect tool to enhance your guitar playing experience. Let's dive in. Songster Guitar Tab. Songster Guitar Tab is an excellent Android application for guitar enthusiasts. It offers a vast database of guitar tabs for various songs, making it easy for users to learn and play their favorite tunes. The app provides interactive tabs that highlight the chords and notes in real time, helping users follow along effortlessly. Additionally, Songster Guitar Tab allows users to adjust the tempo, loop difficult sections, and even create custom tabs. Overall, this app is a valuable tool for guitar players of all skill levels. Guitar Tab Tuner. Guitar Tab Tuner is a versatile Android app designed to assist guitarists in learning and practicing songs. Not only does it provide a wide selection of guitar tabs, but it also includes a built-in tuner to ensure that users can keep their guitar in tune at all times. The app allows users to search for tabs based on the artist, genre, or difficulty level, making it easy to find suitable songs to learn. With features like chord diagrams, tempo control, and playback options, Guitar Tab Tuner is a handy tool for guitar players looking to enhance their skills on the instrument. Guitar Tab Zipo. Guitar Tab Zipo is a user-friendly Android application that caters to guitarists seeking accurate and easy-to-follow guitar tabs. The app boasts a vast collection of tabs for popular songs across various genres, allowing users to expand their repertoire and improve their playing abilities. Guitar Tab Zipo offers features like chord diagrams, interactive tabs, and a playback function to help users practice effectively. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced guitarist, this app provides valuable resources to enhance your musical journey. As we wrap up, we've discovered the unique strengths of Songster Guitar Tab, Guitar Tab Tuner, and Guitar Tab Zipo, making them must-have apps for guitar enthusiasts.